start by having your pan at medium-high. To a saucepan, add your stock and rice at a ratio of 2 parts stock to 1 part rice. Stir the rice into the stock. Add any seasonings you want to add to your rice. And stir those in. Cover and bring to a boil. Do not open the lid. Look for some steam coming out the sides instead. Once boiling, reduce heat to medium-low and set the timer to 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, leave the pan on the burner but turn off the heat. Set the timer for 2 minutes. Do not lift the lid. After 2 minutes, total cook time of 20 minutes, lift the lid and fluff with a fork. And that's perfect rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.